Today, you are going to be logging into ConnectED to play the number grid game. First thing you want to do is look for the ClassLink app. Once you find the ClassLink app, go ahead and tap on it. To be able to enter into ClassLink, you will have to take a scan of your quick card. And once you scan your quick card, you are finally into your ClassLink. Now you have to click on McGraw-Hill Education to get into ConnectED. So go ahead and tap on that app. Once you launch your journal, you will finally be in to your ConnectED materials. Remember that our games are found in the purple box with the spinner, where it says EM Games Online. Once you find that box where the games are, you're going to want to go ahead and tap on it, because this will bring up all of our second grade games. Today we're going to be playing the number grid game. The number grid game can be found where there is the little race car. Now remember that games can be played with either one player or two players. So if you have somebody nearby and you want to play the number grid game with a family member, you can go ahead and click on the multiplayer icon. If you're going to take on the computer, just click on single player. Once you decide on that, you're going to find that race car for the number grid game and tap on it. Now today we're going to be playing number grid game 1. So the number grid game 1, we're going to go ahead and tap on that. We will then be able to select our colors. And then once we hit play, the directions will tell us what to do.
Ready to play the number grid game? Player 1, click the die to roll a number. Look at the table to see how many spaces you can move. Move your marker this number of spaces. Then click OK.
So since I rolled a 5, I look at my table at the bottom, and a 5 tells me to move 5 spaces. Since I'm blue, I'll take the blue counter, and then I will start to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I'm done, I hit OK.
Yes, that's correct. Now it is the computer's turn to roll a number and move its marker on the number grid.
Now it's our turn again. Another 5. I look on my table, and a 5 tells me to move 5 spaces. Since I'm blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can hit OK. Notice that on the table, there's lots of different choices. If you roll a 1, you can move 1 or 10 spaces, your choice. If you roll a 2, you can move 2 or 20 spaces. And if you roll a 3, 4, 5, or 6, you'll move 3, 4, 5, or 6 spaces. So this is how the number grid game is played. First one to get to the very end wins the game. Go ahead, log into ClassLink, find the McGraw-Hill Education app, and play the number grid game.